But in 1769, there was a major breakthrough when the Scottish inventor James Watt
in the history of transportation happened in the years. You have got evaluate data. Now phones are
steam engine.
Thank you. Next, quickly, Albert, come on.
In 1969, Neil Armstrong firstly walked into the moon.
Yes, you are right. Very well. Thank you. Next.
Street the first secret treasure.
Okay, good. Yes, you are right. Thank you. Next. You have got 2 minutes to prepare for this task. You can write on your exercise. Now you have got some information about transportation, some pictures, and
Yes. With me. No.
Давлет, окей, Асет, Ярасыл, Мардан, Маржан, Энжу. Now, to get started, Давлет, окей, Асет, Ярасыл, Мардан, Маржан, Энжу. Булат, on the first place. People built canoes made from what made? On the second place, Давлет. On the third place, Асет. Now,